Welcome to Quick Clips. This is Dr. Tamara Harville, and I am here to talk to you about Microsoft Office, the downloaded version, and how to fix the format for your college papers. So I've already opened up a basic Word document, and you'll notice that up here it says Calibri 11 for the font. Now you can change the font here as to whatever it is your professor wants, or the most common, which is Times New Roman 12. So if I change it here, the problem is every time I open up a Word doc, I'm going to have to change it. And if I double click in the top part of my paper to put in a header, I'm going to have to change it. Well, if you change the default, you won't have to worry about that. So you can either open up the little font window here, or you can just right click in your paper anywhere and go to font. It opens the same window. So I'm already set Times New Roman regular 12, but I'm going to say I want to set it as a default on all of my documents. And then that means from now on, every time I open up a Word document, it's set to Times New Roman 12. Now our paragraph settings also need changed. You can do the same and right click in your paper, but I'm going to go ahead and open up this so you can see it's the same thing. Down here is all different types of information. Now yours is probably set to 8 point. You want to make sure it's 0, and probably set to multiple. You want to make sure it is set to double spacing, and then set it as a default again. That means that your paper's now formatted correctly. Now in academic writing, we typically have a heading over here on the left, which is your name, your professor's name, your class name, and the date. So it would be day, month, year. You hit enter only once to get to the title line, which you will center. Make it an interesting title, not essay number 1 or something like that, but that's where your title goes. And then you hit enter only once, but make sure you take it back to the left and hit your tab key, and that's where you start typing. Make sure you hit tab at the beginning of every one of your paragraphs. And as you type, I'm just going to hit some random stuff. Don't hit enter at the end. It wraps it down automatically. And when you're done, only one space after those periods. So you can just keep typing and you are ready to go. Okay. To put a page number at the top, just double click in that top part of your paper. Notice it changes the window up at the top. So you can say, I want a page number at the top of the page on the right-hand side. Type in your last name and a space. And you can even say, I want a different first page or not. It's up to you if you want your first page to have that on there or not. You can just click that either way. That's it in a nutshell. I hope this helped.